Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to put Twitter link to Roblox profile. What you need to do, first go to your Twitter account and then just copy your username and then go to Roblox and then click in the setting icon and then settings. Now just scroll down and you see here Twitter. Just paste the link. After that, just click save. This is what you need to do if you want to put Twitter link to Roblox profile. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.